Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. Another bloodbath on Crypto Street, and we're putting things into the context of the 2017 peak with some Glassnode insights and on-chain data. What we're observing is that after the May drop, a lot of dynamics are quite similar to the peak that we witnessed in 2017 and the stagnation in Bitcoin prices that followed. For example, we can see that the total transfer volume experienced very similar drop, 80% in 2017, 65% now. Moving forward, similar drop in the total transfer volume in Ethereum, 95% versus 60%. Arguably, of course, it's not as severe, partly because there are a lot more institutional investors now compared with 2017, 2018, but nonetheless, very scary similarities. Also, the number of active addresses, this is for Bitcoin, is experiencing a very similar and very sharp drop compared to the 2017 peak. Bitcoin long-term holders are beginning to accumulate, like it usually happens in bear markets. However, this is not considered very positive because, as we can see, they started accumulating and they continued doing so as Bitcoin prices continued falling lower and lower. So there are by no means guarantees that prices are going to start recovering. And finally, similar drop in the percentage circulating supply held by long-term holders. It dropped to 51% and then started climbing up slowly as Bitcoin prices continued plummeting. And similarly, probably we have seen the throw now and this accumulation is beginning. So let's move to the charts and see nonetheless what you can do with some of these insights. We're looking at the Bitcoin chart, and to me the pivot point is at 33,000. Above that level, I'm seeing good opportunities that Bitcoin may recover, retesting 34,000 and then 35,500. Conversely, however, at the time of filming, Bitcoin comes with a sell signal on the StormGain platform, and more downside is possible below 33,000, taking us back to as low as 32,200, and then if that level is broken, we may see retesting of the 30,000 mark on the short side once again. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Personally, before initiating long positions in Ethereum, I would wait for a break above 2,560. Below that level, like we are at the moment, I'm seeing more downside taking us to 2,463 on the short side, and then even lower to potentially 2,335. Conversely, however, if we're able to clear 2,560, which used to be support, now it has flipped into a resistance. If we clear 2,560, we may see more increases in Ethereum to 2,650 and 2,734. And now we're moving to Ripple. Ripple also dipped quite low to as low as 0.8. Currently it's in a bit of a recovery mode, but personally I would like to see it above 0.88 before initiating any long positions. We target 0.925 and 0.97. Conversely, below 0.88, more than likely the downside can take us on the short side to 0.83 and 0.8. So these are the ideas for selling Ripple, for short positions. And now let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano was on the way to recovery. Personally, I like to see it above 1.56 to initiate long positions with targets 1.65 and 1.738. Conversely, below 1.56, more than likely it will be wiser to sell Cardano with the nearest support at 1.48 for a target on the short side, and then 1.35. And finally, the final idea for today is in Maker. Maker also dropped quite significantly, experienced a bit of a recovery. I'd like to see it above 3,330 before initiating long positions. The first target 3,500 and then 3,700. Conversely, however, below 3,330, we may see more downside with the first target on the short side at 3,200 and then lower down at 2,900. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the CryptoGains Market Insights subsection. And remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for insightful articles, trading ideas, and market analysis. Trade wisely, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.